Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for another one of my 52 new restaurants in 2017. And today's new restaurant is a little place called New Smyrna Beach Steakhouse. It's over here on Beachside by New Smyrna. It's in a little strip mall next to Hank Beals and some other, little businesses. There's a cool little sushi place at the end also. But we came over here, Joan, Karen's cousin, she really is obsessed with lobster. So every time she goes out, she gets lobster when she's not with her husband because her husband doesn't care for lobster. So she always goes after lobster whenever she gets a chance to be out and about without Lenny. So we went up to the steakhouse. We had a wonderful, beautiful steak, just deliciousness. Like, it had really good like bread and stuff too. It had just a really good meal. Like the bread on the table is really nice and soft and good butter. It was just, everything was just, it was whipped butter, so it's easy to spread and all that. Just so many things about it was a great place. Really nice service, beautiful atmosphere. Just has that steakhouse feel. Beautiful wood, tables, thick chairs, just the whole 9 yards. Very nice, elegant place. It was great. The steak was cooked phenomenally well. The prices were not that bad. I mean, it's a steakhouse. You're not going to be getting anything for $4, but it was very reasonably priced, very well serviced, and I will definitely be going back here. Like, that is one of those places when somebody comes down after this whole year's up where I can't eat the same place twice, or I don't want to eat the same place, I'm trying to eat all these new places, and I have somebody comes down and says, hey, I'm looking for a local steakhouse. I'm like, dude, right there, you cannot beat this. So for what I found, it's the best steakhouse for the money in Florida so far, so in my area. I don't know about, actually it's the best steakhouse I've had in Florida, so it is what it is. But yeah, it was a great little place. We had a great meal. Joan and Karen and I, the three of us, just had a wonderful time and a wonderful meal. So that's all I got for right now. I will talk to y'all soon. Have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thanks for watching.